In this installment of our Pro Tips series, I will guide you through the 5 safety rules that must be followed while maintaining your NNXAIR switchgear from Siemens. Please read the operating instructions carefully before using the product. This video is not a replacement for the operating instructions enclosed with each product, it only supplements them. Finally, use personal protective equipment in accordance with local laws and regulations, as well as other applicable EHS regulations. Before beginning any work, ensure that all necessary tools are available according to the operation instructions. The first step is to switch off the circuit breaker and make sure that the incoming feeder for energizing the busbar is switched off. Then withdraw the circuit breaker from its panel and place it in the test position. Next, you make sure that no circuit breaker can be switched on. Lock out and tag out any power source to prevent accidental activation of power during your work. Now you will verify safe isolation from the operating voltage. For feeder and busbar applications, check for voltage via the integrated capacitive voltage detection system. If the integrated capacitive voltage detecting system is not available, proceed as follows. First, open the high voltage door and disconnect the low voltage plug. Then, remove the circuit breaker from the panel with a service truck. Open the lower shutter of the feeder and check if the high voltage tester works properly. Verify that the lower contacts of the incoming and cable feeders are free from voltage. Then open the upper shutter of the busbar. Finally, check that there is no voltage across the upper contacts of the busbar. The fourth step is to ensure that the busbar and feeder are earthed. You can do this by using the switchgear earthing switch or, if none exists, with a portable earthing kit. The fifth and final safety rule of NNXAIR Switchgear prevents possible contact with adjacent live parts by locking the respective shutter or by closing all metal covers in the panel. The following 5 rules will help you maintain your NNXAIR Switchgear in a safe and energized environment. Until verified, all electrical sources are assumed to be energized. Step 1. Disconnect completely. Step 2. Secure against reconnection. Step 3. Verify absence of operating voltage. Step 4. Earthen and short circuit. Step 5. Provide protection against adjacent live parts. If you enjoyed this video, please visit the Siemens Pro Tips website and sign up to receive more useful tips from our experts.